discharge cargo. Pump priming. Prior starting of discharging operations, priming of cargo pumps is necessary. Before priming, the chief officer must inform the berthmaster and the pumpman stationed in the pump room. Prior to filling up the lines and pumps with oil, adopt measures to prevent liquid hammer effect. Liquid hammer occurs when there is an abrupt flow of liquid towards the lines, valves and pumps, which may cause damage to them. Check the suction pressure in the cargo line by observing the suction pressure of the pumps. When negative pressure is observed in the pump and line, break the pressure as follows. 1. Open the crossover gas intake valve. 2. Open the pump delivery valve. 3. Open pump drain valve. 4. Open pump suction valve in steps. Pressure in the line and pump will now become positive. Priming can now be carried out according to the following steps. 1. Close the pump delivery valve and the pump drain valve. 2. Open pump room bulkhead valve in steps. 3. Suction pressure of the cargo pump will increase slowly only by the head pressure in the direct filling line. 4. Pumpman will check the suction pressure gauge of cargo pump in the pump room and check the pump strainer cover and report to the CCR on any oil leakages. 5. Crack open one of the tank suction valves that is to be used for the first discharging grade. 6. Suction pressure of the cargo pump will increase to the equivalent level of the tank. 7. Open pump delivery valve in steps. The gas in the suction line and the pump will be pushed into crossover gas intake valve. After the delivery valve of cargo pump is opened, listen for gas flowing through the gas intake line. Ensure that the gas intake valve is shut after completion of the priming.